How to make your YouTube channel more popular. Step 1. Choose the right username. Pick something simple and catchy. It's hard to remember long, complex names with all sorts of numbers in it. People prefer simple usernames. Step 2. Have a great background design. If you can, design a background yourself, as it makes it far more personal and of interest to viewers who can then identify with your personal style. Once you have a suitable background, always keep specific, identifiable elements of it that represent you when you change your background, and don't change it too often. Include links to your blog, website, etc. as part of your background and profile material. This helps viewers to gain a broader picture of who you are and what you provide online. Step 3. Have a good thumbnail for each video. When people are looking for a certain type of video, they will see many different ones when they search something. If your thumbnail of the video looks bright with good editing, it will catch the person's eye, and they will more likely click on your video. Step 4. Give your videos an exciting title. Make the titles interesting and intriguing without being over the top.
Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.